Before we start, let us think. What is happiness? Where can we find happiness? What can we obtain in happiness? Let us watch this commercial and see what they think happiness is.
Dahil teenager ka na, iba na ang mga kilos mo. Alam mo na ang dapat mong gawin. Alam mo na ang priorities mo. Mas responsable ka na. Ngayong teenager ka na, Cherry for PGM, made specially for teens with taurine, essential vitamins, and CGM. Dahil teenager ka na, madami nang magbabago. Cherry for PGM, para tanggal sagad.
I think that the commercial had the wrong idea of happiness. Happiness isn't about getting high grades and being tall. Happiness is about getting closer to God and finding happiness in Him. We won't find anything that would last forever except for happiness in God. Why should we follow Jesus' way to finding happiness? 1. When we find happiness, we will have eternal life and a place with God. 2, we will be able to have that happiness forever and not only for amount of time like pleasure. 3, one feels good in doing good to others and making God happy. Remember, when God is happy, we are happy.